Hello, English 202 class. We are starting week 4, which is the focus is academic essay. So week 4 also means we have passed the half point mark of this class, which is very cool. So we have 5 due dates left. 4 of them are Saturdays, so the next 4 Saturdays, and then that last little tiny week, that week 7.5, it'll open then on the last Friday, and then close on October 26th. So how exciting that you will be earning your English 202 credit before Halloween. So just kind of put that into perspective, keep you motivated. All right, so let's look at a few things. So this week, as in every week, the lecture is really going to drive the assignments that you're going to be working on. So really make sure you go through here, take notes, or if you feel comfortable printing it out and writing on that, that's a great way to do it as well. But all of these different parts of an academic essay are going to be the assignments for this week. Of course, we have a weekly discussion, which is going to be about how going through academic essays, while most of you will go into a career that will never require it again, but just how is it going to be helpful for you to becoming a critical thinker? Okay, so the first step, what we're kind of going to do to keep this in mind, it's going to be a deconstructed essay. It means we're going to look at the different parts of it. Okay, so one of the first things, if you're going to write an essay, is you need to have a topic. So you can use our virtual library, which in last week's video I showed you how to access that. So you're going to be locating a source, and you are asked to choose a controversial topic. So whatever topic that you feel that you would like to do. So just kind of as a heads up, there are so many different resources available in our virtual library. However, if you pick something that may be too specific or obscure and it's not there, you'll just need to go ahead and pick a different topic. But I can't imagine a situation where you can't find anything. But if that happens, there's so many different topics to pick. So for this assignment, you're going to be providing a 1-paragraph summary of the source. And at the end of the entry, make sure that you're citing the source in APA format. This is your opportunity to practice APA format. Okay, last week we had the one assignment where it had the citation. Some of you did an absolutely fantastic job. Others of you need to make sure, if you go back over here to student resources, you're going to find all the information. Excuse me, I'm going to have to cough. All of the information for APA formatting. So you really need to pull that out. There's different ways to format for a website, for an article. I can't imagine anyone's going to do a book, but there's, way to do a book. So I'm not like so nitpicky, like you forgot a period here or something's not lined up, but there needs to be the basic format. Okay. So it needs to be evident that you are using that. All right. So then the next step of writing an essay is coming up with your thesis. And back in the lecture, there are examples and how to write a thesis. So be sure to do that as well. So once you have that source, then you've summarized it and you cited it back in this first assignment, then you're going to have a thesis statement. It says here no more than 2 to 3. I really like to keep it more 1 to 2, but because you're getting into that third sentence, you might be a little bit more wordy. But one thing to keep in mind is I kind of have a little formula to help students, and also for myself when I'm looking at your thesis. So there's typically 3 different parts to a thesis. You're going to have a topic, you're going to have a claim about that topic, and then the third thing is it's going to be what are your supporting points for that topic. So you have the topic plus the claim plus the 3 supporting points, and that'll be your thesis statement. So the next one is putting all of this together. Okay, so we started up here with locating the source, writing the thesis, and then this last thing is writing an actual essay. Okay, a couple things to think about when you're writing an APA academic essay. There is a title page included. Okay, some of you may have done MLA and other courses, or especially in high school, that was the standard formatting was MLA. And so if you had attended another college at any point in your career, a lot of the English classes there are MLA, but this is APA, so you have a title page. Everything is going to be double spaced. Your whole paper is going to be double spaced, and then you're going to have the page at the very end with your properly formatted sources. Okay. And then the last thing this week is a midterm exam. So basically you were writing an essay. It's going to be broken up into these different assignments. And then this last thing is going to be your complete essay. And then you have a midterm exam, which is a combination of definitions, short answer, and essay questions. So it is untimed, but you do only have one attempt on that. All right. So have an awesome week, and I will see you in class.